welcome back to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a stacker lift. This is integrated with a Gorbel G-force and used to pick racks of parts and manipulate them throughout the work cell. I'll go ahead and show you how this works. We have a virtual limit on the upside, which is set right here. We've also got our trigger on the left side. When you push the down button, this will lower down to a second set of virtual limits, which is where we need to be placed to pick up the parts on the rack. So go ahead and bring the jaws into place. Hit the clamp button. Raise them up. Now you can manipulate throughout the work cell by pulling back, pushing over. So this is our load spot 1. We also have our second loading location in this area. So we can set our down travel where needed. We can set our up travel where needed, and 2 different sets of limits. The anti-drop feature is integrated with the Gorbel G-force by pressing the unclamp button with 25 pounds or more. At the end of the tool, then you're unable to release the grip. Now to place the rack back into position and get it into place, remember it's important to pull the trigger in at this point so you don't overload your hooks. So with the trigger pulled in, hit the down button, and you can continue to hit the down button. It will lower only to the set lowered position in virtual limits 2. Now you can unclamp and release the tool. Okay, I'm going to go through some of the menu options with you briefly. Now you'll first want to take the screws out of the bracket that we've added. This is to help accidentally changing of menu. So remove this. You want to press and hold the menu button. Once the blue light lights up, this puts you into the virtual limits menu. By pressing the menu button sequentially, you can get into your speed menu, response menu, settings menu 2, LED, service menu, back to program mode. Now, when you want to set the virtual limits 2 for your down section, you want to put the tool in the vertical height where needed. You want to pull the trigger. With the trigger pulled, hold the menu button down. It's going to put you in virtual limits menu 2. Now, by hitting the G-force button, this is where you want to set the lower limit. So you leave it there. It reads that limit and it will not let you lower further down with the trigger pulled than where you have it set currently. Well, thanks for watching. Please visit aimcomanufacturing.com for more product videos.